Greetings to those daring to flip the script on rejection, where setbacks metamorphose into opportunities and Stoic wisdom dances with the subtle art of reverse psychology. In this captivating exploration, we unravel the secrets to not just endure rejection, but to thrive in its embrace. Get ready to embark on a journey where rejection becomes the canvas, and you, the artist of your resilience and success. 1. Understanding rejection. Explore rejection as a natural part of life. Recognize its potential for growth and self-discovery. 2. Reverse psychology. Unveiled. Delve into the psychology of reverse psychology. Learn how to subtly influence by embracing the unexpected. 3. The Stoic mindset. Embrace Stoic principles of control and acceptance. Cultivate a resilient mindset that thrives amid adversity. 4. Turning no into yes. Develop strategies to turn rejection into a pathway for affirmation. Uncover the power of reframing and positive reinterpretation. 5. The art of detachment. Master the Stoic art of detachment from outcomes. Discover the freedom that comes from releasing the need for approval. 6. Strategic vulnerability. Learn to strategically expose vulnerability. Understand how authenticity can disarm and create connection. 7. Playing the long game. Embrace patience and endurance as Stoic virtues. Navigate rejection with a focus on long-term success. 8. Mindful response to critique. Train your mind to respond mindfully to criticism. Utilize Stoic techniques for constructive self-reflection. 9. Cultivating emotional agility. Develop emotional agility in the face of rejection. Apply Stoic exercises to fortify your emotional resilience. 10. Silencing inner critics. Identify and silence the inner critics that amplify rejection. Foster self-compassion as a shield against self-doubt. 11. Building Stoic habits. Integrate Stoic practices into your daily routine. Forge habits that reinforce resilience and adaptability. 12. Navigating social dynamics. Decode social dynamics through a Stoic lens. Utilize reverse psychology in interpersonal relationships. 13. The alchemy of success. Witness the alchemy that transforms rejection into success. Celebrate the victories forged through the crucible of setbacks. As we conclude this transformative journey, remember that rejection, when wielded wisely, becomes a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. By intertwining reverse psychology with the Stoic ethos, you unlock the secrets to not just endure rejection, but to flourish in its presence. Embrace the art of turning no into a resounding yes, and let rejection sculpt you into the architect of your triumphs.